Why, hello, welcome back. itsTeodore here, and today we are going to be doing something a little bit less exciting, but it's just cleaning out my Olympus Infinity Junior. But yeah, it's really dirty. Got it a couple days ago, and I need to clean it out. There's actually film in here. It says ASA, so this film is really old film, but I don't know if you guys can see, but it says it's like on the first or second exposure, so might as well keep it, you know. But yeah, I'm just gonna quickly clean this. I won't be opening the camera up because that will ruin the film. Oh my god, this is so dirty, guys. Look, it's not even from the alcohol. This is just pure dirt. Oh my god, this is nasty. Oh my god. Oh, I need. Ew, it's sticky. Guys, see? Oh my goodness. I have a lot of the Infinity models. I have the Olympus Infinity Epic, and then I have the Olympus Infinity Zoom. And then I also have the just plain Infinity, but I really like this this model because I like how you can slide it to turn it on. It's pretty neat. This is it's fully automatic, so I take a picture, the film will wind automatically for me, but oh my gosh, it's so dirty. Ew. Ew. Okay, look. It turns on. Oh wait, hold on. It turns on. Well, it's already on. Oh yeah. Neat. I wish this camera had a waist level viewfinder. I wonder what all these for, you know? Because I know one of them is for the viewfinder, but then what is this? What is that? I have no idea what it is. Gross. Ew, look at that. So nasty. It's still kind of sticky, but oh my god. Almost pushed the shutter button. Okay. Ding. There's that one. I also got this one the other day. If you guys are curious, I just thrift these. But I'm very selective with what I thrift though, because I can't bring everything back home. But guys, this is really cool. Okay, so turns on like this, and whatever you see in the viewfinder, you see in the lens. So it's really cool. And it also has this thing where you can adjust, like if you wear glasses or something, and I don't know, it's like basically like the prescription for your eyeglasses or whatever, but in a viewfinder form, so it's pretty cool. So you do this, I'm gonna adjust it because it's pretty blurry. I turn it? It's so hard to turn. Okay, so I see it. And look at this zoom. This zoom is crazy, guys. Look. You guys see the zoom? The zoom is crazy long. It's called the Zoom 105. So, yeah, I see it. It goes up to 105 millimeters. So, pretty neat. But yeah, and then it goes back down to like 38 millimeters. Oh no, 38 millimeters is like right here. Yeah, it tells you on the lens, so it's pretty neat. This guy isn't as dirty, but it just didn't come with film or anything, but it did come with the battery, which is pretty nice, you know. Wait, it didn't come with the battery. I had to put this in myself. Never mind. People weren't that generous. Let's see. CR2123A batteries. By the way, I hope that you guys like this type of format where my phone is just laid like straight like this, because I don't know, I feel like sometimes I like to do these type of videos where it's not too serious. Oh, right, I also got another camera. Wait, I forgot. If you guys haven't already, you guys should enter into my giveaway, which is from the previous video. I'll put like a link in the description or a little tag up there, but yeah, I'm doing a giveaway, so you guys make sure you guys are entered into that. I am giving away the key picks. If you guys don't know what that is, you guys should watch my video up there. But this is basically what the key picks is. It takes pictures of your digital pictures so that you can have it in like a nice Instax Fujifilm form. So it's pretty cute, guys. I really like this. It's pretty nice. I really like it because it's like, it's not too big, it's not too heavy either. It's pretty light. So yeah, I'm not giving the pink one away because I am keeping the pink one, but I am giving away the black version along with a pack of film. It comes with 20 exposures, so you guys better go and try that giveaway. But anyways, going back to this video, this film camera right here is so cool, guys. Look, hold on, gotta show you. I don't know if this is clean or not, but YOLO. Okay, so you go like this, right? And you're like traveling. Oh, yeah. And then you're like, oh, wait, look at that. Then you take a picture and you pull it out like this. Isn't that cool? And you're like, okay, take a picture. Isn't that cool? And then when you're done, you go like this. And then you just zip it back up. How convenient is that? It's like built-in case right here. Isn't that cool? Yeah, I'm such a nerd for freaking out on that. But yeah, this is so cool. It's the Canon AF35. It's one of these cameras right here. Isn't it cute? I thought it was pretty cute. I tried turning it on. I'm not really sure. But here, you push this button so the flash would come on. Sweet, huh? It's pretty cool. And the batteries it takes are just two AA batteries. Let's see if my expired batteries work. I doubt they do, but we can at least try. Okay, ooh, nasty. I have this bag of expired batteries that I go to recycle, and yeah, you know, sometimes I don't know where I'm going with this, but I just want to try it. Some of these are really bad. They're like decaying. Okay. Here's this one. And here's this one. Just kidding. Hopefully it works. Here, you can turn it on. Nope, my batteries don't work. both these batteries work. I'm gonna let it boost and then flash you guys. Okay. Where does it let me know? Okay, this lets me know the flash is ready. Right here. Is it ready? Is it ready? On. Oh, it's not ready. But this is kind of like a automatic camera because the film winds for you. At least I think it does. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think this is supposed to wind the film for you. The flash is not boosting. Oh well. Oh, I can change the ISO from here. It's really hard to change the ISO from here though. Oh my gosh, it's stuck. Okay, anyways, that's that. I guess I can't flash you guys, but I keep hearing the flash boost though. Pretty neat, huh? Here's that. Close it. And then, probably last one. Probably last one. This camera. This is the Canon Owl Sure Shot. Just a really basic camera. Nothing really special about this camera, but yeah, you know, I'm a hoarder. Oh yes. Oh, in a few weeks I will be traveling, so I will be taking this camera with me, and I want to put stickers on here. I want to put like BTS stickers. Where are my BTS stickers? Oh, right here. I want to put my BTS stickers on here, and then I also want to put my Big Bang stickers on here. I don't really want to because that Big Bang sticker came with the Remember album over there on the other side, and that's like a keepsake. That's like a memory that I want to keep forever, so I don't know if I should use it. Maybe when I go to where I'm going, I will go buy stickers. But yeah, I want to film a vlog for you guys over there. I don't know if I should start a vlog channel. I really want to start a vlog channel because there's just some content that I want to film that is not like film related or anything. And I don't know, I just feel like I should have a vlog channel where I can just post whatever I want. It's like really raw and like you guys will get to know me better. But yeah, I'm still thinking about it. Maybe when I hit like 10,000 subscribers or something. Or maybe for Vlogmas, I'll start that channel. But yeah. In the meantime, watch out for this because I will be taking pictures with this. Oh yes, and of course my Sprocket Rocket. I'm gonna bring that with me, so you guys know what those pictures look like. Sorry, it's Jack. Jack is right here. He just like to get pet and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to enter into my giveaway because I will be giving away one of these. So yeah, alrighty guys, I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.